Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to get information for any folder on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, now go to the navigation toolbar on top. That is customizable. Let's now click on a folder itself, my YouTube channel, click on this. Ideally, we can right click and get info, which is the same as clicking on the folder and then clicking on get info from the toolbar, which is customizable as reiterated before. So click on the folder, then click on get information, and now this tells me that the folder, the size of the folder is 6.38 gigabytes. When it was modified, the size, where it's located, when it was created, who can access, read only, read and write, who can make changes. If we click on another folder, get info, same thing, click off the folder, get info, and this now gives us the size of all the directory that we are currently in. If we move to another folder or move to the desktop, click on get info, and we now receive the information for everything on the desktop. So we can now quit Finder. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.